In this video, we'll look at what are the setup steps required in order to execute or create a unit test case. So if you have already created a Java project earlier, you would know that the basic requirement is that we should have a Java JDK installed in our system, and we would usually use any kind of editor like IntelliJ or Eclipse or NetBeans in order to set up the project. Now, the additional setup that is required in this case is to have a JUnit jar or the Maven dependencies. So if we go to the JUnit website, here we can see that there are two ways in which you can configure the JUnit project. So either you can download and install the jar, which is JUnit jar and the Hemcrest core jar. And the second way of configuring would be with the Maven project. And third would be with Gradle. So in our example, I am going to use the jar method in order to set up the project. So by using the jar method, we will download these two dependencies. So if I open this jar, you will see that we have an option where we can download the jar or Java or POM XML. So let's click on the jar and you will see that it has got downloaded. Similarly, I will download Hemcrest core jar, and here is a download option. So the dependencies are now downloaded. Now let's create a project in which we are going to configure this